Hello and welcome to Fluxo. In this video, let's go over some of the basics of our product so you can get the most out of it. Start by creating your first project. You'll set when your historical data starts, how long is your forecast, and choose to start from scratch or from one of our templates. If you started with a template, you'll now have a list of interrelated tables with many rows already set up as formulas as this one. This will automatically update as you add values to the other rows they are referencing. You can also create new tables for any type of financial or operational data you have. Add rows to it, add formulas to these rows, building the logic of your financial plan. To create forecasts, add one of our model types to a row, for example, a series. Select the interval and period you want to assign this model to. Add a name, and then fill out its values in this case, because it's a series, and it's ready. If you want to add another scenario, just create a new plan, and you'll be able to assign different models to this new plan. Now let's talk about actuals, your historical data. You can go to the actual screen to input any data that you need to enter manually. And when a month is done with both manual and source-based data, click Finalize All for that month. This will mark the month as an actual, which means your forecast will now begin 1 month after it. Actuals can also come from external sources. To set up one, just go to the Sources screen and follow the steps. You'll be able to create new tables and rows, replace existing ones, or also ignore pieces of the source data. Once the syncing is done, you'll see the source-based rows marked on your tables and update automatically once a day. Lastly, you can easily create reports to summarize your plans and share them with your stakeholders. Just select the period, plans, key metrics, and assumptions that you want to include, and your report will be ready and always updated. Visualize the data aggregated by month, quarter, or year, and share it with a link. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, we're always available in the chat on the bottom right of your screen.